Kamo, eskwela mog tarong. May na lang makasulod mog duha sa isa ka semana. Absent day mo katulo. Basta eskwela mo oy. Pero ugma naka-schedule naman ko kay mang birthday man ko ila Ira og ibing.
Yung nag-crave ka ng McDonald's ng alanganing oras. Siyempre, akain tayo. Nag-crave tayo eh. Chicken, no? Kita niya yan? Iba talaga ang McDo. Wala ka nang dapat ipaliwanag pag McDo. Alam mo na yung kung gaano kasarap. Masarap din tong fries na may gravy. Ice cream. Ayun natin to. Sarap.
So, meron tayo dito 3 pieces na chicken. Tapos, 6 pieces ang alam ko na barbecue. So, kain tayo. Sarap niya, guys. favorite part ko to. This is my first meal of the day. Barbecue. Gusto ko.
Hello guys, kakain po nga pala tayo ng, ano nga to, mang inasal. Hindi ko alam kung masarap ba to. First bite. Sasabayan natin ang kanin. Yun.
Today we're eating. Hello. Thank you so much. Oh, holy crap! This is for you guys, you know. Thank you so much.
We've been doing it since March.
Oh.
And we both lost our job. Took a trip to California. We saw a line. We was like, what is that? And they said, I love empanadas.
Our goal is to either have a brick and mortar or a food truck.
You guys will. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Look at that. Today we're eating Filipino street food off Facebook Marketplace. Let's start with the drinks. It tastes like a more refreshing brisk. That's really good. I love the color of this one. It's so green. I don't know what this is, but it's really refreshing. Let's start with this. Do you see how crispy these things are? Wow, that's insane. Onion in there, there's some beef in there. Holy moly. It's also so packed as well. They actually recommended to use this sauce. It's their house-made vinegar. This is like the best empanada I've ever had in my life. Cheers. Next up is deep fried lumpia. Look how crazy this is. Here, you guys take a bite. Filling is so good. I think it's pork and shrimp. Low-key, the rice is actually so good. The last thing we're gonna try is this Filipino fried chicken. The meat is really tender. Wow. This was some of the best Filipino street food I've ever had. Make sure to support this local in Seattle, Washington.
Ang niluto ko lang ay hot dog and then nilagyan ko ng ketchup and oyster sauce. I don't know if it looks appetizing sa inyo pero this smells so good. I'm so hungry. Let's eat! Kain oyat! Gusto na natin kumain kasi so hungry. Okay, bye-bye. Mag-work na ako.
Kung ano-anong random food na naman ang kinakain natin, guys, para lang hindi mag-rice. Meron kami ditong Shanghai. Tapos ito menudo galing kay mama ko. Meron ding orange, si Shine may saging. Walang rice pero deep fried, mamantika yung food natin. Guys. Pag nagminudo kami sa amin sa bahay, sila mama ko, guys, walang tomato sauce, kamatis lang talaga, kaya ganito kulay. First bite. Pork. Gusto ko sanang kainin yung atay, kaya lang delikado tayo dyan, guys. Shanghai. Sauce muna natin sa sweet chili sauce. Yung mga food natin, mga handaan sa party. Lambot ng baboy. Blue kay.
Grabe, oh. Hindi. Ano naman siya? Parang papel mo lang.
Init na siya, ha?
Chicken ka ba? My favorite mga noodles is may laging may ganun. Nagbalak mag-go.
Sarsan na lang to, guys. Cheers!
Subukatin ko pa yung
Last bite ng Shanghai natin.
understandable naman yung dulo. Kunaring
Orange na sobrang tamis.
sarap.
No?
Mahilo ko dun.
Madalang lang kami magprutas, guys. Mahal kasi. Nagkakaprutas lang kami dito pag binibigyan ako ni mama ko.